The AdWords reports, also under acquisition, near the bottom by here. So click on that to get the little sub reports. These aren't set up for mine because I haven't got a PPC account. But if you're into that, that's where they are. Motion charts are available for most of the reports under the acquisition header. So to get to those bad boys, you need to click on one of your reports. It loads up, and that's a bad example. Sorry about that. Let's go to all traffic. Okay, motion charts are just these fellas on here. Click that. I've only had about 2 visits, so this isn't going to be too impressive. But give it a click. Yeah, that's absolutely. Well, yeah, a bit of movement. But yeah, well, yeah, it kind of gives you an animated graph. Have a look if there's anything better I can put on here. No, there isn't really, because there's no orders. There's no orders or revenue related to my blog at the moment. Let's have a look. Maybe this will do it a little bit better. So we didn't have any visits then. Oh. Yeah, it's doing the same kind of shiz. You can change them around here. Different colours for different metrics if you want. Okay. After motion charts, go to site search. Where are we? So site search is under behaviour. Okay, site search. If your website's got, let's have a quick look. There's a little search box, and it might be relevant. So let's click on overview, see what it's going to tell us. Awesome, 000. So just basically gives you different keywords, what people are searching for internally on your website, and how many people use it. So at the moment, no one's used it, so 100% people have visited our website, sorry, my website, without actually using the site search. So at the moment, it looks like it's not being used very much. It's not affecting anything much. So if I click on something, so hopefully that should influence analytics next time I log in, and that'll change it from 100% to God knows what, to maybe 97% or something. Okay, very quickly. So that's site search. Usage. So it is getting used sometimes. Okay, so tracking campaigns gets a bit more complicated now. Use the Google Analytics URL builder to tag up your URLs. Best way to show you that is to go here. So you're whacking your details there, and it'll give you come out with the URL that you need. If you've got AdWords campaigns, you need to set up auto tagging for that. Gives a unique GCLID tag to the end of the URLs for the landing pages for paid adverts. something you might want to look out for. There may be more clicks on ads than there are visits. So on your Google Analytics, when you've got AdWords going for your pay-per-click adverts, it may show that there are more clicks on the actual adverts, but there's not as many visits. So you might have 100 clicks on an advert and 99 visits. That's because sometimes people click on an advert but leave your website before the tracking code has loaded. Sometimes redirects and incorrect tagging can also cause indiscrepancies. Very quickly again, goals. So I hope this isn't too quick. I'm still learning myself, obviously, so it's just to get you started, a quick overview. So there's different types of goals. There's destination goals, pages per visit goals, time on site goals. Let's have a look. So that should be under conversions. Goals. Okay. To set up a goal, go to admin, go to goals. Where has it gone? Goals, and then create a goal. So different type of goals. So it can be engagement if the visitors are using your website as you want them, inquiries, acquisitions if they signed up for something, revenue if they've bought something. Let's make a custom one. Next step. Easy one's destination. Actually, we'll use duration. Put a time goal. Next step. So if it's greater than, let's say, 3 minutes. Monetary value, nah, not really relevant here. So create that goal. So now we've got a goal, a time goal. If someone spends more than 3 minutes on the website, then that goal will be fulfilled. Quickly, funnels. Funnels are set up with goals. So click admin and goals. Oh, sorry, yeah, so this would be a funnel, for example. The only way I know how to do it anyway is with the destination goal. Let's go custom, next step, destination, funnel example. Next step equals 2. So let's say there's no content on here, so please ignore the actual page here. Just using this as an example. So equals to there, then that's awesome. No value, let's turn the funnels on. So I want them to go to my home page first. So now that goal has a funnel, and that goal, because of the funnel, the goal can only be fulfilled if they go to the home page first and then go to my articles and nutrition page. Hope that makes sense. The reports for funnels are under the conversion section, so click on reporting. Where are we? Conversion. Should be at the bottom. Funnel visualization, there we are. So there is a beautiful diagram. So that's showing basically that that's not been fulfilled. Awesome. Let's have a look. For an example. There's no data for that one yet. ignore that one, never mind. Okay, moving on quickly. Filters, set up a filter, admin, filters, view filter. Oh, this is a good example I've got here already. So filter name, Irish traffic only, include country Ireland. So this is going to filter in this view. It'll only show traffic from Ireland, but if I wanted to exclude, so if I click on exclude there, then any traffic from Ireland will be excluded. Good way of doing this is if you've got a business and you don't want your internal traffic to affect your Google Analytics data, then you want to exclude, so internal traffic, exclude, and then you use the IP address. Should be here somewhere. Click on that IP address and then save it. Obviously you have to put your company IP address in there, and that'll stop it showing internal traffic on your Google Analytics reports. E-commerce reports. So this is under conversions at the bottom. Sorry for all the fast scrolling on here. Let's tidy that up. Okay, e-commerce. So you need to set up e-commerce tracking in order for these reports to work. Again, pretty rubbish data, I'm afraid. Apologies, because my blog doesn't get any visitors. You need to set up e-commerce tracking. To do this, again, you've got to click on this, admin, and then view settings. Near the bottom, you need to turn e-commerce track. So if that's off, obviously you've got to turn it on. And then next you'll need to put the standard analytics tracking code on your receipt or thank you page. So, you know, when you make a purchase on a website, you'll go to a receipt page after you've paid for it, pay for your product. You go to a receipt page or thank you page. You'll need to get the tracking code and whack it onto that page. So I hope that's helped somewhat. It's my first tutorial I've done for a video, so I hope it's okay. I'll try and improve them as I do more. If you want to have a look, I'll put the notes for the tutorial are on my blog. Something that may also be worth looking at as well is the regex, regular expressions tutorial, which is really helpful for when you're using filters and segments. So have a look at that as well. But thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.